Hi all, welcome back to the new tutorial of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin and in this video we are going to learn a new different formula that is called FLOOR.MATH. So let's start guys. Before going further to this formula, a couple of days back we had learned this formula ceiling.math where we were using our significance and we were multiplying that number with that significance and or I would say like in the multiple of that particular number we are getting the number that is at the top. But this formula is opposite to that ceiling formula. Like for example, if I'm giving a number as 1 and I want to get the multiple of 2, so the number would give me only the 2 value, and if I'm just putting the 3 and the significance that I'm giving here 2, so ideally this number should have given me what to say 4 number. So because that 4 number is the no, not 4, it will give me the 2 number if I'm applying the floor.math formula. So let's try to put this formula in that way. If I'm just giving a number as 3 and significance is 2, then ideally my result should be 2, because the multiple of 2 with the number of 3, the lowest value would be 2 only. So see, we are getting exactly the same result that we had discussed right now. If I'm just changing the number as 4, then my result would be 4 only, because 4 itself the multiple of 2, so ideally the result would be 4 only, like that. If I'm just changing the result by 5, then my result got 4, and I can apply this formula so on. And if I'm just changing my multiple with 3, then ideally what do you think my result should be? Ideally I think it should be 3, like that. I'm getting my result like that. And couple of days back we had learned this formula floor only, where all the parameters are same, except in this floor.math formula we have 3 functionalities like number, significance and mode, and where we can get our output only by putting the number itself. But instead of, if you are comparing your formula with floor formula, we have to give only the 2 parameters there. So this is pretty much difference about this formula. And one more thing, like we can get the mode that would be like towards 0 or beyond the 0, like that. So this is the same table that we discussed for the ceiling formula. Like if you want to get the floor value of this negative number, negative integer number with the significance of 1 and the mode is 1, that is like towards 0, and if you are putting as 0, then it is away from the 0, like that. So we can put this formula and get our desired result. And one more example that we had seen here, if we are putting as a significance as 2, and we can get our output in that way only. So this is pretty much all about this formula guys. Hope you like the session. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next tutorial also. Till then, keep learning and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.